Welcome back to Crafty Coaster. Since you guys enjoyed the last one we did here in beautiful Fort Smith, Arkansas, I thought I'd give you another little look at it. In 2015, the town of Fort Smith decided to take their downtown and do a whole lot of upgrades and modernize it. Well, part of that was the art project, the unexpected art project that they did by bringing in famous artists to do murals and art downtown. And I thought I'd give you a quick look at that. And who knows, in good Crafty Coaster fashion, maybe we'll even find a place to get a beer and, I don't know, maybe a pizza this time. So come on, let's go. So there you go. Another little walk around in Fort Smith, Arkansas. The pizza parlor that I wanted to go check out was closed for today, but I found this gracious little place called Heroes. It's I'm gonna call it a dive bar, but it's not. It's cool people serving good food. Those were dollar tacos on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Good cold beer, domestic. Not a lot of choices, but it's worth checking out. So next time you're in Fort Smith, do us all a favor, check out Heroes, all right? Until next time, cheers.